I am super excited about our brand new classic signature table. This is going to have 28 inches of lift. So you can see where this is now. So I'm going to bring this back up and then we're going to go over the electronics. Now this is made out of HDPE, which stands for high density polyethylene. It's virgin grade plastic, which basically tell you it's indestructible and you cannot hurt it. I know that the perfect cutting height for me is when my elbow is at a perfectly 90-degree angle with my cutter. I'm going to push the S, that stands for save, and I'm going to go to one of my memory buttons. In this case, I'm going to push 1. So now let's say that I want to sit down and give my back a rest. I'm going to put this all the way down. And I'm going to sit down, I'm going to use it for sewing or whatever the case may be, but now I'm going to get up and cut again, so I'm going to push the 1. So watch this. That 1 is going to bring this up to the exact height where I saved it for where I want to cut. If your table doesn't have the S button, you're simply going to push the number down and hold it until it beeps, and then that is going to save your memory for your perfect location. Now, let's get back to the surface really quickly. We talked about the mat being inset, so if you lift up the mat right here, you're going to see an area that has been etched out. So when I put my mat in there, the mat stays and it never moves on you. Aircraft extruded aluminum along with the HDPE makes it really lightweight, which is the reason why we put these on locking wheel casters. So if you have a sewing room or a studio and you want to be able to make this table portable for your different applications, you're going to be able to do that very easy with these locking casters. This table has one command. It goes up and down, but it's perfect for what many of you are doing. So this is our most affordable model. This is our online classic signature table. So this is the one that you're going to want to get that you can only get online, and this is one that you're going to be able to get your best price on. So make sure you look us up and check it out.